If you're an IT fresher, you might be feeling a bit lost with where to start when it comes to building your skills. Don't worry, we have all been there. In today's video, I am going to show you some of the best GitHub projects you should study in 2025 to level up your coding game and boost your career. GitHub is where developers from all around the world share their code and collaborate on projects. As a fresher, studying existing projects on GitHub can help you understand real-world code, learn best practices, and contribute to open source projects, all of which are super valuable when you are looking for your first job. GitHub projects are like free coding lessons. You get to see how experienced developers structure their code, how they solve problems, and how they work together on teams. Alright, let's kick things off with the first project that's perfect for freshers, the JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures repository. This repo is like a gold mine for everyone starting with JavaScript. It's full of algorithms, data structures, and solutions to classic coding challenges. Whether you're learning how to sort arrays, search for values, or solve algorithmic problems, this repo will teach you all the fundamentals of programming with JavaScript. And trust me, mastering algorithms and data structures is crucial if you are preparing for coding interviews. If you are a JavaScript newbie, this is your playground. You'll find problems ranging from beginners to advanced, and the best part, you can try out the solutions on your own, and if you want, even contribute by submitting your own solutions. Next up, we have the Python projects repository. Python is one of the most beginner-friendly languages, and it's used in a wide variety of fields, from web development to data science to machine learning. This GitHub repository has a collection of beginners to intermediate Python projects that you can study or contribute to. Projects like building to-do list app, a weather app, or even a chatbot will give you a practical understanding of how to build real applications with Python. Plus, you will learn to integrate APIs, work with databases, and structure code like a pro. Python is used in practically every tech industry today, so getting hands-on with these projects will give you a solid foundation to kickstart your career. If you are new into web development, check out the Front-End Mentor repository. This repo offers real-world front-end development challenges, and it's perfect for anyone learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll find challenges ranging from building a simple landing page to a complex e-commerce site. These projects will help you build your portfolio while mastering the skills you need for front-end development. One of the coolest things about Front-End Mentor is that you get to work with real-world designs that you will have to turn into code. It's the best way to practice your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript skills while getting that real-world experience. Now let's talk about machine learning. Scikit-learn is a fantastic repository to explore if you are diving into machine learning with Python. This project is an open source machine learning library, and it has a ton of tutorials and examples that will help you get started with building your own machine learning models. Scikit-learn covers everything from classification to regression to clustering, and it's super beginner friendly. The best part, it has tons of documentation and tutorials to help you understand the core concepts of machine learning and apply them to real world data. Machine learning is one of the fastest growing fields in tech, and getting your hands dirty with Scikit-learn will help you learn the ropes of machine learning while working on real data. If you're more interested in the infrastructure side of things, check out the awesome DevOps repository. It's a collection of resources, tools, and guides for anyone interested in DevOps, the practices of combining software development and IT operations. By studying these DevOps projects, you will get familiar with tools like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and Terraform, all essential tools for modern software development and operations. These skills are in high demand, and learning them will make you stand out as a fresher. So, those are some of the top GitHub projects you should check out in 2025 as an IT fresher. Whether you are interested in web development, machine learning, or DevOps, these projects will give you the hands-on experience you need to build your skills and get noticed by employers. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more coding tips and career advice. And hey, share your favorite GitHub projects with me in the comments. I would love to check them out. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to growth as a developer is practice, persistence, and exploring new projects. Keep coding, and I'll catch you in the next video.